here and give story in front of you. Desirable community of audience. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, I would like to talk about the terminology of telegram. Ladies and gentlemen, I have one question. What is telegram? Do you know telegram? I think telegram is a device for transmitting and receiving messages over a long distance. Example, or telegraphy. The word telegram allows auxiliary event to an electrical telegraph. Telegram message that by a submarine telegraph often circle to get on wire. After receiving one message sent by a direct network, a speed network of transmitter similar to a telephone network. For long distance, telephone services were easily available or affordable. Telegram was very popular and only with confusion